to fix your Nutmeg account not showing correct balance, so in here the very first thing that I recommend you guys do is do the direct debit contributions. Takes up to like 3 to 5 business days, and in order to like clear and reflect in portfolio values, right? So after doing that, you can now confirm if funds are currently sitting as a cash pending allocations during the next trading window or not. So after like checking, or like after allowing direct debit settlement time, and also like checking all of the uninvested cash tab, if it's still not working, then the last very final thing that I recommend you guys do is simply try to contact the support to the support team of Nutmeg. So you can actually find that contact number in the in-app or website, or you can simply find that within a few Google search. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.